Hi, I'm Sanif Olek. I'm a filmmaker by training. At present, I'm a content director and producer for broadcast media and corporate campaigns. I'm here to provide you with some filming tips. You might ask yourself, how can I get creative in producing videos with limited resources and yet inspire others through my story? Well, look around you. There are so many ways you can tell your story as a creator right now. Let me help you with some tips. Have a mental mind of a photographer. Observe and keep a mental image of the scene you will develop. You can attempt to see your film before the shoot by creating a simple storyboard. This will make the process of the shoot less stressful and easier. Sometimes the editing process can help shape or save the film. As much as you want to keep an open mind, it is also important to keep it simple. With limited resources, the simpler the plot or storyline, the easier for the audience to follow and understand your story. Decide on a genre. Some examples are action, comedy, romance, thriller, horror. Don't stress yourself out with complicated technical details at this point. The reality is you may most likely to have to film it yourself or get a family member to help you out. During this conceptualization process, create a simple story map that will give you an idea of how your story will flow. It is always a good idea to get 3 times more footages than you think you need. This way, you have the option of choosing your footages. Option is always good if you have time. Do try to add the right kind of music or sound effects as they do make a difference to the video. I hope the pointers I have shared with you are adequate for you on your journey as a filmmaker. Remember, the first step is always challenging, but practice will make it perfect. All the best and stay safe.